Hello and welcome to All Taste German. Today I will show you how to make Leberspätzle. Leberspätzle are used as a side or in a soup. This dish is especially popular in the south of Germany, and you will find it every year at the famous Oktoberfest in Munich. Alright, let's begin. Wash the liver and pat it dry with a paper towel. Melt the butter in a medium-sized pan. Then peel and cut the onion into cubes. Then add the onion cubes and fry them until translucent. Now add the garlic paste to the onions and fry all together for about another minute. In the meantime, cut the liver into pieces and remove any skins or veins. Add the liver and the onion mixture to a food processor and puree finely. Get a large bowl and add the liver, the eggs, spices and herbs, and mix briefly. Then add the breadcrumbs and mix again. Finally, add the flour and mix again until everything is well combined. Let the mixture rest for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, heat water or broth in a large pot. If you use water, you need to add salt. When the water is hot, you are ready to make your Spätzle. Press about a quarter of the batter through the Spaetzle maker. Wait until the Spätzle float on the top and then let them cook for an additional 3 minutes. Now you are ready to scoop them out with a mesh skimmer or slotted spoon into a strainer. Repeat this until all batter is used. Your Leberspätzle are ready to be served in a broth or as a side. Guten Appetit!